Hello, students. Today in our English class, we are going to learn about Supplementary Reader, Unit 2, Anbu and the Fish. The characters in this lesson are Anbu, Madan, and Anbu's father. Students, please take page number 112. The heading is Anbu and the Fish. Anbu was very talented in catching fish. His favorite activity is catching fish. He went to catch fishes with his friend Madan. So, before going for fishing, what are the things we require? We require some fishing materials net, rod with thorns, hooks, bait, etc. Isn't it? Here, bait is the earthworm. So that when the fish try to eat the bait, the fish get caught in the hooks. So, once bait was ready, they went for fishing, but they never went deep near the ponds or river. They shared the fish equally. But one Sunday, Anbu was very sad because they got only 3 fishes. So Madan told Anbu to grow that fish in a pot. Anbu took a pot, filled it with water, let the fish into it. The fishes are in fear. Anbu fed them with earthworm, but the fish did not eat it. He could not understand why they did not eat that earthworm. He is little bit confused. But the next morning, he ran to see the fish, but he could see only 2 fishes. He searched for the third one, but he could not find the third one because the third one is not inside the pot. It is on the floor. It was dead. Anbu became very sad. His father consoled him. So on that evening, his father brought him a new fish tank, which was little bit larger than the first one. Immediately, Anbu transferred the fish into a new tank. Next day, when he came back from his school, he saw another fish also dead and floating. He was very disappointed and became very sad. His father advised him that these fishes live only in the pond. Nature is their home. So let the fish free in their place so that it could survive. So Anbu, his friend Madan, took that fish to the pond and set it free. They both were become happy. And on that time, they began to feed the fish instead of catching the fish. They feed them with puffed rice. Now, their new hobby is to feed the fishes. Students, hope you enjoyed this lesson. So, nature is one of the important one playing a very important role in our life. Hope you understand. Students, now you are going to see an animated reading part of this lesson.
Children, can we read? The lesson name, Anbu and the Fish. Anbu was very talented in catching fish. He always went to catch fish with Madan. They usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Anbu also made fishing rods using sticks and thorns at home. Then they shared the fish equally. Unlike their friends, Anbu and Madan were always careful while fishing. They never went deep into the pond or river. Every Sunday they would go in search of earthworms to use them as bait. They enjoyed searching for earthworms. Once the bait was ready, they would go fishing. On one Sunday, Anbu was not happy. They were able to catch only 3 fish. The fish was very small to cook. Madan told him to grow the fish at home. Anbu filled the jar with water and let the 3 fish into it. The fish exerted and swam in different directions. Anbu thought the fish was hungry and dropped earthworms into the jar. But to his surprise, the fish did not eat. He saw their eyes and could feel their fear. Next morning, he went straight to the fish jar from his bed. He saw only two fish in the jar. He searched for the fish everywhere. Then he saw one fish on the floor. Anbu was very sad and his father consoled him. In the evening, his father got a new fish tank. Anbu changed the fish to the new tank. The next day, Anbu rushed back from school to the tank. He saw that one more fish was dead, floating on the top. He started crying. His father said, "These fish live in the river and lake. Nature is their home. It is best to let them be free." He saw the last fish swimming alone and he felt bad. He took the fish to the same pond and set it free. From then on, Anbu and Madan bought a packet of puffed rice and fed the fish. Feeding fish was their new hobby. Thank you.